In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Notion for time tracking. By the end, you'll have a clean, simple system you can use right away to see where your time goes and keep your tasks organized. First, open the Notion website in your browser. This takes you to the home base where you'll find tools and templates to get started fast. From here, look for the marketplace. This is where Notion offers ready-made layouts you can plug into your workspace without building everything from scratch. Inside the marketplace, go to the search bar and type time tracking. This filters the results so you only see options that are designed to record your work sessions, projects, and totals. You may notice a few variations, but the idea is the same: a database that helps you log what you did and how long it took. Now, select a layout you like. Focus on one that feels straightforward, with clear columns for task names, dates, and time spent. Choosing a simple layout keeps things easy to maintain and ensures you'll actually use it day to day, which matters more than picking a complex design. Then, click Add. This copies the layout into your workspace so you can make it your own. Once it's added, feel free to customize everything to match how you work. Rename the database if you want, adjust columns, and remove anything you don't need. Common properties you might keep are task or activity, project, date, start time, end time, duration, and notes. If you prefer to track by tags, add a tags property. If you like weekly reviews, add a week or sprint field. The goal is clarity, not complexity. With the structure in place, start entering your details. Add your name if the tracker is shared, your task titles, and any other relevant data that helps you understand your day. For each entry, fill in the date and either the start and end times or the total duration, depending on how the layout is set up. Use the notes area to jot down what you accomplished or anything that affected your productivity. Avoid adding sensitive information. There's no need for emails, passwords, or private data in your time tracker. As you log entries, you'll quickly see patterns: what takes longer than expected, which projects dominate your time, and when you're most productive. Update it consistently and consider reviewing the totals at the end of the day or week to plan smarter for the next one. That's it. Open Notion, head to the marketplace, search time tracking, select a layout, click Add, customize it, and start entering your details. Simple, flexible, and ready to use.